Hello, good morning, student. Today's story is The Ransom of Red Chief, which is written by O. Henry in 1902. Before starting the story, let us know about the poet. William Sidney Potter, better known by his pen name O. Henry, means the name of writer is O. Henry is only the pen name of the writer, and the real name is William Sidney Potter. He was born on September 11, 1862 and deceased on June 5, 1910. He was an American story writer. His stories are well known for surprise, as his story is full of surprise. Now we shall start the story. Okay. Now, the story began with two friends, Sam and Bill, who were talking together and said that we have a $600 and for winning town down a summit in the west, and we require $2,000 more, and we have to arrange $2,000. They were thinking from where they will get the money. Suddenly an idea struck in their mind of kidnapping. In the plan of kidnapping, they decided to select the semi-rural area because there were no interference of police as well as news channel. The parents belonging to the rural area love their young ones, that is, their children, the most. They selected the child of Ebenezer Dorset, who is wealthy as well as respectable in the village. They selected a cave which is 2 miles far away from the city. They arranged their everything for their livelihood. In the evening, they brought the buggy near the Dorset house, and they saw a boy was playing with the cart. He was throwing a stone on the kitten, and Bill pointed the candy towards the child and asked, "You want to like to travel in this buggy?" But the child turned around and threw the stone on the Bill's eyes. Bill said, "Your father is going to pay extra for your nuisance." And then they kidnapped the child and took him to the cave. After that, Sam told Bill to take care of the child, and I will be back in few hours. When Sam returned, he saw the boy was snatching the Bill face, and he was playing and pinning up the Bill. He was pretending of not being kidnapped. He was enjoying everything instead of being afraid. When the boy saw the Sam, he said, "Your name is Snake Eye. Your name is Snake Eye from today." When they started to have a lunch, the boy also sat with them to have lunch. He started talking like that he didn't like girls, why the stars are burning, my father have a lot of money, why parrot can speak and fish and monkey cannot speak. Then Sam asked him, "You wish to go your home back?" He replied, "No, I don't want to go back because I don't like to go to school and do my homework. I want to stay here." Then the boy asked, "Why? We haven't had the bed in this cave, and for how many days we have to stay here?" Bill replied, "For some days." Then they all went to sleep. In the instant of his sleep, Bill cried with a loud noise. Sam woke up with surprise. He saw the boy was over the Bill's stomach, snatching his hair and pointed a knife on his head. The Sam removed the boy immediately. Then he went to sleep. But Bill can't, as he was very frightened. On the next day, Bill asked Sam whether his father will give money for this notorious child. Sam said, "Of course, parents love their notorious child very much." Sam went to see the situation of the village, but there was no change. Everybody was busy with his chores. When he returned back, he saw the Bill and the boy was sitting in an angry mood. He asked Bill what happened. Bill replied, "He tried to kill me, so I slapped him." The boy said, "Be careful, no one has hit the Red Chief before as he was playing the game of Red Chief. Then they all sat down to have the breakfast. Bill asked Sam, "What do you think? This boy will go from here?" Sam replied, "No, he can't, as he was far away from his place." He asked again whether his father will give the ransom. Then Sam replied, "Yes, of course." At that, the stone struck the Bill head and he fall on the fire stove. Sam immediately frustrated the Bill and warned the child, if he do this again, he will take him to his home. The boy said, "I don't want to hit him. I am only playing." Then they sat and started writing a letter to the boy's father. Bill said to Sam, "Who will give such a big amount for this rowdy child? We have to reduce the amount to $1,500. Then in the letter they mentioned $1,500 and the place where the boy's father have to keep the money and at what time. They also asked in the letter for his response till 8 o'clock in the night. Then Sam went to the village to post the letter and he asked the postman in how much time the letter will be posted. The postman replied that the letter will be posted in 1 hour. He returned back and he saw there was no spot of Bill and the boy in the cave. After a few minutes, Bill came and said the boy was very rowdy, so I took him back to his house. Then Sam asked to Bill, "Are you suffering from any disease?" as the boy was standing after the Bill. When he returned back, he shocked as he led the boy far away to his house. Sam consoled Bill, "Not to worry, I have posted the letter till today. We have to tolerate this boy as we will get the response of this letter till 8:30. In the midnight, his father gave the money of ransom and he will finally get free from this boy." They went to the place where they will go to receive the money. They went to the place where they were going to receive the money. Waiting for a while, they saw a man drop a letter in the box and he returned back. When the man returned back, both of them stepped forward to receive the letter. When they opened the letter, they were shocked. In the letter, the boy's father asked the ransom of $250 to take his child back. Bill and the Sam thought it is better to get rid of this boy. We have to give the money to his father. So they give $250 to his father to take him boys back. This is the explanation of the story, The Ransom and the Red Chief. If you have any problem regarding this story, you can text me on my WhatsApp or call me. Hello, good morning student. Today's story is The Ransom of Red Chief, which is written by O. Henry in 1902. Before starting the story, let us know about the poet. William Sidney Potter, better known by his pen name O. Henry, means the name of writer is O. Henry is only the pen name of the writer and the real name is William Sidney Potter.